Video I will explain how to create a KPI to display region with the highest sales. In this tutorial I'm going to use sample superstore data source. So mainly we are going to use region, order date and sales fields. Okay, let me drag order date to the filters and choose month, year and select user and then click OK. Right click and select show filter so that we can select the desired month. Now drag region date to the rows and sales to the text. Okay, our requirement is to display the region with highest sales, not the value but the region name. For example, if you select January 2018, in this month the highest sales is coming from the region south, so our KPI should display south. Okay, so for that we need to create one calculated field. Click on this down arrow and select create calculated field. I'm going to name the calculation as region highest sales. Okay, so here we are going to use a window function, so that returns the maximum value out of the data present in the current view. So window max sum of sales, and then click OK. Let me drag this calculation to the text to see the output. So I'm going to choose table format. So here you can see our calculation is returning 9322 for every region, because the highest sales present in the current view is 9322, that is coming from the south. If we can equate this one in both these two calculations, so that returns true when there is a highest sales for the region. Let me right click and edit the calculation. So if this value is equal to sum of sales, then click OK. So let me remove the calculation and drag calculation next to the region. So we can see the boolean calculation is returning true when there is the highest sales, that is 9322 at the region south. So let's select another month and see the output. You can see here calculation is returning true when there is the highest value 6463, that's coming from the east. So let me drag this calculation to convert this as a KPI. I'm going to drag this calculation to the filters and select true. Click OK. So as we are going to show the region as a KPI, we are not going to show the value. Just remove the value and then drag region. So as we have removed the region, we need to change the table calculation, edit table calculation and choose specific dimension to the region. Now click OK. Now double click to select true only, then click OK. So here in this case, in the month of February 2019, highest sales is coming from the region east. Okay, let me increase the size. Select 15 and then click OK. Select entire view. So format, I'm going to change the background, worksheet color, say this one. Okay. Change the font color to white, then click OK. I'm going to change the alignment to center. Okay, so that's it. If we can take this one to the new dashboard, you can arrange the sheet like this. Hide title, yeah, that's it. Whenever we select the month, so it displays the highest region name, the highest sales, region name with the highest sales. Okay, I hope this calculation is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.